Welcome back to Excel skill. Let us learn how to highlight the panes in the given list of the products in a quicker way. I have the list of the data which includes the products and the units. Now, for example, I want to highlight the panes over here in a shorter manner. So now I will be selecting the list of the products, and you have to go to the Home tab and then click on Conditional Formatting. After clicking on the Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules. Click on that highlight cell rules and go to down and click on text that contains. Once you click on the text that contains, you need to type your criteria. That is, our criteria is to highlight panes, that is weight panes. So now I would be giving panes over here and choose the color with green. Then click OK and you could see all the panes related weight panes and panes are all being highlighted. In this way, you can utilize this formatting trick whenever you have to highlight any criteria of the list of products. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you again.